How to save video from CapCut to gallery. First things first, make sure you have CapCut installed on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just head over to your app store and download it. It's free. Once you've got CapCut installed, open up the app. You'll see the main screen where you can start editing your videos. Now, choose the video you want to save to your gallery and start editing it. You can trim, add effects, music, and whatever else you want to make it awesome. Tap on the resolution button, and a menu will pop up with different options. You can choose to save your video as a GIF or a regular video file. Pick whichever one suits your needs. If you want, you can also adjust the quality, resolution, and frame rate of your video before saving it. Just play around with the settings until you're satisfied. When you're happy with your edits and ready to save your video, look for a button in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Now, here's the important part. To save your video to your phone's gallery, simply tap on it. CapCut will start exporting your video. It might take a little while depending on how long your video is and the settings you chose. Once the exporting is done, go check your phone's gallery. Your video should be there, ready to be shared with the world or just kept for your own enjoyment. And there you have it. That's how you save a video from CapCut to your gallery in just a few simple steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.